What up, gangsters? Welcome back to another episode. Merry Christmas to all you out there. Welcome back to another episode, man.
If you guys notice all around my surrounding, you will see that there is no Nissan Z here. But what we do have here are the brand new wheels for the Z that will go on the new color with the Z.
Oh, say less.
And also, I should have took advantage of the summer because it was blazing hot. It was 115 degrees to take off this freaking wrap so we can wrap this a new color. Definitely not gonna do it in the winter. It is super cold and it's just not the right time to do it. So I'm gonna wait springtime, take off the wrap, get a new color for the G35, make it a brand new color. I think that will be the next move for the G35. So what's going on with the Nissan Z? So the Nissan Z was dropped off last Friday, I believe. It was dropped off in a place 2.5 hours from here where I live, Sacramento. And I just got word back that the car will be done this week. Okay, right now it's Monday. It'll be probably Thursday or Friday, but one of those 2 days, the car will be done and we'll be traveling over there to get the car back, and then we'll go ahead and mount the wheels. But in today's video, not only am I going to show you the unboxing of the wheels, I'll show you the wheels, show you the paint of the wheels because that's pretty cool too, but we're going to go take them to my friend who will be ceramic coating my Nissan Z, but in this video he will be ceramic coating my wheels. All right, here, the knife. Now, I already opened the wheels because I had to make sure there were no damage on the wheels, but man, you guys are going to be happy when you guys see this. But before I even go ahead and open them, I do want to introduce the sponsor of the wheels for the Nissan Z. Huge shout out to them and thank you very much. I mean, this is not a standard color that they do. They went above and beyond to make this color for me and it came out absolutely great. So huge shout out to the sponsor of these wheels, Rex Racing Wheels. They make forged aluminum wheels. They're lightweight and we're gonna go ahead and test them right now, bare without any tire, see how much they weigh. So are they lightweight? We're gonna find out, but we're gonna bring the scale right here to see how much they weigh. But if you guys are in need of some wheels, go ahead, check their website out, Rex Racing Wheels. Check out their Instagram. They put out actual quality content. Follow them and check out some of their wheel designs. They are phenomenal. Okay, we still have to mount them on the Z and stuff like that, but so far what I can see on this box, they are freaking top notch, and we're gonna open them right now. So here we go. I don't even think I needed a knife because like I said, I already opened it. It's just duct tape. So let's go ahead and reveal the wheel. Here we go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that small little edit. I tried to capture the best I could of that paint quality. The paint is phenomenal and that color shift to the yellow is crazy, man. But here is the unboxing. This is how it came. Obviously it came taped up, but it comes with this layer. Very nice right here. Once again, Rex Racing Wheels. Go ahead, check them out. Freaking sick, man. So I'm gonna toss that out. And it comes with a little styrofoam. Toss that out. Then here it is, the wheel, man. Freaking great. It didn't come with the hair. I'm pretty sure that came from my head. But anyways, it's always a good feeling opening wheels. If you guys have bought wheels and they come in, you should know it's always a good feel. No matter how the wheel looks, no matter what it is, it feels like Christmas opening up some brand new wheels, man. Here it is. Ooh. Dude, that looks freaking sick. So I needed some white wheels. That should kind of give you a hint of what the color of the Nissan Z will be. But right now, they're brand new, they're clean, no dust, no nothing. So this is a perfect time to get them ceramic coated. Those wheels are ceramic coated. My 4 stars, by the way, 4 stars. All right, guys, welcome to my nightclub. This is where I keep my 4 stars, okay? I want to do another little ad. If you guys are interested in 4 stars, they're 19 by 9.5. They're 19 by 11. The rears, the fronts are 19 by 9.5. They're all -5mm offset. The two rear tires, they're Federal RSRs. They're good condition. The front 2 tires, they're Pilot Sports, but they could be replaced. They're on wire, so the front 2 tires are not good at all. Let me know if you're interested, man. I know a lot of you guys are asking me if I do shipping. I'll do shipping at your expense. I do not know how much is shipping to all 50 states, so I don't know that, but if you're interested, let me know. Hey, low-key, these with the G35 though, that would look kind of fire, but let's try that. You can see like this is just all white, but this is the gold white. On the car? Does it look like it's on the car? Look at the camera. Watch out behind you. Woo-hoo! You gotta squat, bro. You gotta squat down, that's why. Come on, boy. Okay. Yeah, how's that? How's that? Yeah. That's fire. How would it look, this white with the purple?
Nah.
Nah? fired. I had to dig for this, but we got the weight scale. Let's go see how heavy this thing is. Let's put you to the test, boy. Bro, this thing is broken, bro. This thing ain't even turning on. All right, guys, our battery is dead, but here's what I'm going to do. This is just the battery, right? So I have some good batteries. It's just that they're not the right size, right?
Alright, so the cables are touching. Assuming they're touching and they're getting firm connection somewhere in the universe right there, all we gotta do is connect this to the battery and this should work. So
what? All right, guys, I'm not gonna let you guys down on that sour note. We're definitely gonna get the weight of that freaking wheel. Don't think he's gonna escape. So let's hop on the G35, little auto zone. Let's get ourselves a brand new battery. Raise this thing up. There you go. If there was ever a good time to congratulate the G35, it's got to be now. I do want to say congratulations to the G35. I'm super proud of the G35 for running over 1 year, boosted, stock internals, pushing 430, wheel, not crank, wheel, and still doing like very, very considerably healthy. I mean, this car is just, wow, this thing is just delivering. Sir, we got brand new batteries, baby. For a second, I thought AutoZone wasn't gonna have it, but they came in clutch. Oh. I forgot to turn off traction control. Today, man, today Monday, and it came today Monday, bro. Same day delivery, bro. That is the best. That's why I love Amazon Prime. Get it if you don't have it. What did I get from Amazon Prime? So here in Sacramento, it got dry a little bit, but now the rain seems to be creeping up on you again. So all next week is gonna be raining like 5 out of 7 days. So we're gonna get the Z back later this week, which means one car we're gonna have to sit out, which is gonna be the G35. And I want to be in the cold, so I bought it a car cover. I bought a car cover for it, protects it from the rain, protects it from snow, freezing, anything. I was gonna buy a car tent, like kind of like that, but we actually just got hit with the notice. We cannot have the cars anywhere in the lawn or anything, and that's most of the front yard. We cannot have any cars. Somebody complained about it. Why would you? Who did it, bro? I swear to God, who did it, bro? If it turns out that it's a faulty freaking weight scale, I swear to God, I swear to God. Your battery. There you go. It works. Let's go. I'm gonna do one of those magic tricks. Here we go, okay? 1, 2, 3. Bam. Okay, it is now unboxed. Let's go ahead and put it in the weight scale right here. How much is it? 27.6. How much? 28.4. There you go. How much is it? 28.4. Holy crap. I pulled up an old video of mine. Hopefully I don't copyright myself. Anyways, the 4 stars ended up being 58.8 pounds. And the new chrome wheels that I currently have on are 50.6 pounds, okay? So once we mount the tire on the wheel, we'll go ahead and weight it again to see if it's kind of equivalent to those wheels or those wheels. All right, guys, it's a little bit later. As promised, we are delivering the wheels that are in the back. All 4 of them. They surprisingly fit in this. There's a Volkswagen sports wagon, and you know, it kind of looks small from the outside, but fits 4 huge wheels. So that's a W in the books right there. But it's really hard to capture on camera, but
yeah, it's literally the wrap. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Shit.
Come out pretty nice. All right, guys, and just like that, this episode is over. The wheels are officially dropped off at the shop. They're gonna go ahead and ceramic coat it. The Z will be getting picked up either Thursday or Friday this week. Now, here's where the question comes along. This is where I want to ask you guys a question, okay? The car's gonna be wrapped, okay? That wrap color, it's not gonna go the best with the current wheels that I have. They're like some dark bronze wheels, the original Proto Spec wheels, right? They're not gonna match that good, right? So if I show you that version, you're gonna be like, oh, I don't know, right? That's why I got those wheels. They're coming the white wheels with the gold pearl. Oh my, they look freaking sick. Anyways, that's the combo I want to do, the white wheels with the freaking with that new color that I'm doing with the Z. Now I need to transfer the tires from that wheel to the freaking new wheels, right? So what this is what I was thinking of doing, right? Getting the Z from the wrap delivery place, bringing it back. As soon as I bring it back, I'm taking it straight over there to my friend's shop to getting ceramic coated. I do not want it to get dirty or anything. I'm taking it over there. First thing is gonna get done, ceramic coat the whole car, ceramic coat the wheels. And then I was thinking of doing the wheel installation, showing you guys probably in black and white, showing you, since you guys already see the wheels, showing you guys in black and white, getting the wheels mounted, and then doing the wrap reveal. That way you guys can see the car with its true color combination the way I wanted it. And yeah, so that's probably what I'm gonna do. But if you guys think different, if you guys just want me to show the wrap color and then just do the wheel installation, let me know. Catch you guys next episode. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. I'll catch you guys next episode. Peace.